Hello, hello everybody. Happy Monday morning. Afternoon. Close enough. All right. So, give me just a second. And I am going to, let me get this video shared really quick and then we'll get started. Load comments. Okay. There we go. Share. And then one more. Okay, hopefully I can see everything now. So let me get this so you can see my project. There we go. Oops. Go. Hold on. 5. There. Now you should be able to see everything. Okay. Let me make sure on my screen you guys can see everything. Okay, I think we're good. If you're on here, comment hi for me. Say hey, hey, where are you watching from? So last night I made this cute little project and it's a double-sided board. So today I'm actually going to be doing the other side and I'm gonna flip it over. So isn't that cute? So you've got something that's more of like a generic home decor piece. And then on the back side, you can put something that is, there we go. You can put something that's a little bit more seasonal. So, or you could do, you know, something fall on one side and then something holiday, Christmas on the other side. So that's what I love about these boards is you've got two different looks. You've got this diagonal palette look and then you've got the other side. So if you're hopping on here, say hi. If you are interested in my VIP group, just comment VIP. We do bundles in there. We do sales, games, all sorts of stuff. I'm actually going to be starting a game today. Polls, pretty much everything. And then comment sample if you're interested in your own little sample kit. They're very cheap. And I'll be happy to get you a sample. But just say hi. Tell me where you're watching from. Okay, so whoops, before I do that, I need to wax my board because it's wood. We want to wax it. It makes our transfer come off a little bit easier. So I'm just going to get some of my wax on paper towel, and I'm just going to buff it on the board. This makes your transfer come up a little bit easier. If you make any mistakes, it makes it easier for it to wipe off since it's wood, or scrape it off. There we go. All that good. I don't have a lot of time today, so I'm gonna go kind of quick. Hi Samantha, thanks for watching. I think I've said it before, but these paper towels suck. Every time I do something with them, they leave like crumbs, like paper towel pieces everywhere. Ugh. Don't get the cheap paper towels. There. That'll do. Okay. So I've got my fuzzing cloth over here. This is the first time I've used this transfer. So I'm just going to fuzz it really quick. And this just helps it to pick up a little bit of lint. Get all the crumbs off of there. Pick up a little bit of lint so that when I go to press it down on my board, it doesn't stick too well. You can also use your shirt, so if you don't have a fuzzing cloth, just stick it to your shirt, and that works too. There we go. All right. Thanks everyone for tuning in today. Hope you're having a good Monday. Say hi for me. Tell me where you're watching from. Hold on. Trying to get it straight. There we go. That'll do. I'm starting a new thing also where if you share, if you share the video, if we get to a certain amount of shares in every video, I do a giveaway. And the number of shares for today is 10. So if we get 10 shares on this video, anybody who has commented, not necessarily shared, excuse me, anybody who has commented will be entered to win. Hey Susan, I'll get you the link to that VIP as soon as the video is done. So the video has to get 10 shares. You don't have to share it to be entered to win. You just have to leave a comment so I know who was on here. But we have to get to 10 shares first. So get to 10, and then I'll give away something to anybody who commented. So 10 shares is our goal today. You can share it to your personal page. You can share it to a group. It is up to you. And I already got you guys started because I have already shared it twice. So now you only need 8. 8 shares. Hey Shannon, thanks for watching. Okay, I'm gonna keep this design pretty simple today, guys, because I have like 5 minutes. Hey Amanda, I will get you that VIP link once we are done here. So I'm gonna do Haunted in this brand new papaya color. I love it. It's not like super bright orange Halloween, but it's like cool fall. And then the rest of it I'm just gonna do in black. I'm gonna keep it kind of simple. So I am going to do the papaya first. And I'm just gonna squeegee it on. This is a brand new paste, so it's like the perfect consistency. If your paste gets a little bit thick, just add some water to it and mix it up. That's all. If we get to 10 shares today, I will give away something from anybody who commented. So anybody who leaves a comment is eligible to win as long as we get to 10 shares. Okay. So the main rule, the cardinal rule of Chalk Couture is don't let it dry on the stencil, on the transfer. So once you get it all on, you're going to squeegee off all that extra, because the second rule is you want to be able to see your design underneath. So if you can see the word, you know it's thin enough. If you can't see the word, it's not thin enough. So then I am going to release this like that. And I'm going to dry it really quick. I'm not going to pull it off all the way. I'm going to dry the, actually no, I'm not. I'm just going to lay it back down. It should be okay. There we go. And I'm just going to make sure that this is stuck back down. 10 shares and we're giving away stuff. So hit that little share button. Oops. I know it's Monday. I'm on here at kind of a weird time. I'm usually on more in the evening. So like my page, make sure you are set to get notifications because I am on here at least 3 or 4 times a week. And we have a ton of new super cute designs. So I'm going to be doing all sorts of cute stuff in the next couple of weeks. Whoops. All right, the rest of it, just gonna do black. We're gonna keep it pretty simple. I could probably use a bigger squeegee, but I like these little ones. So we're just gonna go with the little ones. So I'm going to do this top half and then I'm going to peel it up like I did before, because you want to release the stencil, release the transfer before it dries. Because if you don't, the paste is going to come off with the stencil and you don't want that. Make sure you get all the little spots. Okay, I'm going to stop it about there. Peel it off. Oh, isn't that so cute? Love it. Oops, I got a little smudge there, so I'll fix that afterwards. Since I waxed my board, that's gonna come off pretty easy. And if you're just tuning in, this is actually a double-sided board. I did the other side last night. So you can go to my page, check out the video from last night. You can see the design that's on the other side. The design on the other side is a little more generic. So you've got something you can put up all year round, and then when it's Halloween time, just flip it around. So easy. You can make a sign in like not even 5 minutes. Get off all the extra, save that extra paste. Okay, I think I got it. All right, here we go. Ta-da! Isn't that adorable? Love it. If you haven't seen this before, so the stencil is reusable. So you can wash it, you can reuse it. How many times you can wash it and reuse it really depends on how well you take care of it. So the standard is kind of 8 to 12-ish. If you wash them right away, if you wipe them with a Clorox wipe, take care of them, don't let them get dirty and dusty. Sometimes you can make them last a little bit longer. If you don't take care of them, sometimes they don't last quite as long, but you take care of them like you're supposed to, and they will last quite a while. So I got a little spot here. Sorry, my phone just rang. I don't know why it went through. So hopefully that didn't mess up. Eek. So I got a little bit of a smudge here. So whoops, I'm gonna wait until that's dry. So I'll wait till that's dry and then I'll just go in with an X-Acto knife and kind of scratch that. Uh-oh, did my video freeze? Eek. I hope not. Uh-oh. Somebody tell me if I froze up. hold on. Uh-oh. Can you guys still see this? Eek. I hope so. All right, we're just gonna keep going. All right, so that's all. Yes, you can still see it. Okay, good. Because mine is frozen on my screen. All right, cool. So that's all, you guys. That's it. So this was the other side. I'm gonna be really careful because this is still wet. This was the other side that I did last night. And my screen is frozen, so I hope you guys can see that. I don't know if I have it in the camera. So that was the other side from last night. And this is today's. So that's all. I'm going to sign off on here oh, it is frozen. Okay. Bummer. Hold on. Because somebody tried to call my phone, and my phone is my upper camera. Dang it. There we go. All right. So here. Hopefully this works. There. So that's the finished product. There you go. This was the other side that I did last night. Isn't that cute? So cute. So if you commented live or anything like that, I will get you those links. But other than that, I'm going to hop off and I will see you guys later. Bye.